Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete watch history on Netflix. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Want to clean up your recommendation, remove an embarrassing movie from your continue watching or start fresh with more relevant suggestion. Netflix does let you hide titles from your history, but the option isn't always in the same place depending on the device. So in this video, I will show you how to remove the watch history on your Netflix on PC or laptop. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Netflix. You can log it into your profile. After that, if you see in here, when we first open the Netflix, you'll find continue watching for your profile. So here's some movies that I have on my Netflix profile, and I want to remove one of them. How to do it is very simple. So you can just select on the movie. You can just like this to the movie that you want to remove from your uh, watch history. For example, I want to remove this one. Now, you see, there's like X icon. That's how that's to remove it from your history. Remove from row. You can select on that. Why you want to delete is from your continue watching, maybe because you don't like this. Uh, just clean up, for example. Now you have remove it. And also maybe also this one, you can just move the arrow to the movies until it appears like this. Now you can select on remove from row. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove watch history on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.